Good morning, friends. Here today in our class, we'll discuss about the poem Rainforest, which is written by Valerie Bloom. It's a syllabus from class 4. Here we'll find a wide variety of plants and animals are found in rainforest. Read the poem and learn how humans are destroying the beauty of the rainforest. Rainforest is the place, forest, where it rains heavily, and that's why the forest is dense, and there are variety of animals, plants, and birds, different types of birds, snakes, and jungles animals, wild animals are found in this rainforest. Here, on the first stanza, we found that there is a place where it rains a lot, where trees grow straight and tall. This is a place where the sun shines hot and the howler monkeys call. So, we found in the rainforest, this is howler monkey, and we found in the rainforest there is a place where rains a lot. In rainforest, rains falls heavily and where trees grow straight and tall. As the forest is very dense, so for the cause of getting more sunlight, the trees are grows straight and tall, grows fast. This is the place where the sun shines hot. In the daytime, the sun shines hot in this place, and the howler monkeys call. And so we found the howler monkey. So, in the howler monkey, here is a short note of howler monkey. Monkey is found in the Amazon rainforest and named after their loud howling cry. They are called the howler monkeys. So next one, or the next stanza, we found there is a place where fallen leaves and trees trunks cover the ground. Because of the dense forest, all the leaves from the straight and tall trees heaps on the floor, on the ground of the jungle, and the trees trunks cover the ground. Actually, there are so many trees get in together, they grows together, so there are so many trunks gathered on the ground. This is a place where the wet soil heaps these types heaps, and beetles scamper around, and in these heaps the beetles, a little insect beetles, here look here, heaps moves up and down with regular movement. Heaps moves up and down in regular movements, and we scamper around. Beetles scamper around. Scamper means to move quickly with small light steps. Because there are so many insects inside the heaps, and as their livelihood, they moves here and there, so the heaps moves. It is written here as the heaps moves. There is a place where banana trees, giant figs, and palm trees grow. This is the place where you can feast on lychees, avocados, and juicy mango. Here, the description of the different plants are found in this poem. There are so many plants, different types of plants are there, like banana trees, giant figs, palm trees, etc. There is a place where you can feast on lychees, and feast means, there is a short note, to eat a large amount of food. You can here you can find the different types of fruits in large amount, availability of these foods, and avocados and juicy mangoes are found here. And on the next page, we found about the different birds, the scenery of the different birds. Here the toucan and the green snakes are the picture of these. This is a place where orchid blooms. Orchid, a plant and which blooms is a very beautiful plant, and the flowers of orchid is very beautiful, and variety of orchids are there. Home of toucan and macaw and toucan, different types of birds, very colorful birds. The capped heron, one types of heron are there. There is capped like portion on their head, and milk white milk white plumes, with milk white plumes. Capped heron has milk white plumes, and plumes mean you can found the orchid, a plant with bright colored, unusually shaped flowers. Different types of orchid are found, and blooms means grows here. A toucan, a South American bird with brightly colored beak. Large beak are found. You see in the this is a toucan, and large beak are there. And macaw, a large American parrot having a long tail and extremely bright color feathers. The feathers of these birds are very bright color, and which is extremely beautiful. And capped heron, a water bird found in South American rainforest with blue face, and beak, white body and feathers. White body and feathers are there, and black head are there. Plumes mean large, soft bird's feathers. Plumes means feathers, and uh, and the green snake, with the green snake, here lays the green snake, and black mamba, which is the most poisonous snake in the world, is black mamba, totally black, and this is the most poisonous snake in this world. There is a place where frogs makes their home. There's so many frogs lords are there. Frogs means here, um, there are some persons, some caste are living here, and where they hunt and fish and farm. They are doing their livelihood with hunt and fish and farming. This is the place from which medicines come. There is so many plants are here, so these are the source of different types of medicines which heal diseases like a charm. These heals the diseases, different diseases means cures the different diseases like a charm. Like a charm means like a magical spell. Okay, next, this is the last stanza. This is the place that is trying to survive the tractor's roar. This is the most important situation of this poem, that men are hunting and destroying this rainforest and cutting the woods and destroying the different plants and destroying the livelihoods, disturbs their livelihood. So this is the portion of this poem which is most effective and most important to understand, that this ecological system can't be destroyed. These are the lungs of the rainforest, the lungs of the world. So we must have to protect these types of livelihood, forest, and everything. This is the place that is trying to survive. This place is trying to make themselves safe or live. The tractor row means tractor are try to finish this jungle. This is the place that is dying. This place is dying by the roads of tractors, by the roads of human beings who are trying to finish this jungle, a place that will soon be no more. This is the most important message from this poem, that if human beings are not conscious about the future of this rainforest, one day will come that then there will be no jungle, no rainforest. So we must have to protect this jungle. Here, the survive means continue to live after being close to death. They are by the means of the human destruction, they are nearer towards their death. So we must have to save this jungle. Thank you. I think this passage will be helpful to you. Now we are going towards the question answer portion. Understanding the poem, complete the sentences with words and phrases from the poem. The fallen leaves. Actually, I have given the answer. The fallen leaves and the tree trunks cover the ground. I have already taken the answer from the poem. The soft, the capped heron has milk white plumes. Plumes means feather. People get medicine from the rainforest to heal diseases like germ. Okay, the place that is trying to survive the tractor roar. Banana trees, giant figs, and palms grow in this rainforest. So, next one, read the lines and answer the question. This is the place where wet soil heaps as beetles scamper around. So, which place is the poet referring to? This poet is referring to the rainforest. Why do the beetles scamper around? Looking for food and shelter. That's why beetles scamper around for their livelihood. What does the poet mean by the wet soil heaps? The moist soil rises slightly because of many insects living in it. That's why it looks like heaps. This is the place that is dying, a place that will soon be no more. Which is the place? The place is the rainforest. Why is the place dying? Many people cutting down the trees. That's why the place is dying. What does the poet mean by no more? It means the rainforest may disappear completely by destroying the trees. Now I've already turned over the page, and here are the collective nouns. Fill in the blanks of collective nouns. Here, a dash of owls, a pack of owls, a litter of puppies, a bunch of grapes, and the crew of sailors, the team of athletics, the band of musicians, the team of giraffes, and the school of fish, gang of robbers, shelf of books. A pack of wolves, the litter of puppies, a bunch of grapes, crew of sailors, team of athletics, band of musicians, town of giraffes. Tower of giraffes. A school of fish, a gang of robbers, a shelf of books. Now, in the fill in the blanks with suitable words associated with the words in bold. A glass of cool lemonade makes one feel refreshed. Next, the ink in this pen has completely dried up. The days are so hot during the summer months. The medicine you gave me for my cough is so bitter. The story of this book is known to be a funny person. The empire blew the whistle and the football match ended. So this is the comment.